So just what is AI anyway? You see it in the news because it is quite literally a once-in-a-generation opportunity. It reminds me of the days, the birth of the public internet, going way back into the 90s when it was America Online, for those of you people remember back that far. In the 90s, America Online opened up to the public internet, and then the world changed forever. Well, we're in the same exact situation. This will be culturally, society-wide change because of the AI technology that is coming out right now. And it is evolving day by day, month by month. This is brand new tech, and it's a generation-changing opportunity. And in times of change, those who take advantage of those moments, the new technology coming out, are the ones that profit. People are already becoming millionaires using AI technology. In fact, billionaires even already. The largest and fastest growing product launch in history, of the history of mankind, just happened here in the last few months. And that was something that was an AI product. There are so many ways to profit with AI. What I'm going to show you today is how to combine artificial intelligence with affiliate marketing to build a profitable business. John Sculley III says that timing in life is everything. John Sculley was a legendary CEO and businessman. He's the guy behind a little company called Apple. This guy was the CEO in charge of Apple who took it from 800 million to $10.2 billion in annual revenue. You think about that, a business building guy, right? And so his advice is valuable. And he says timing in life is everything. Not it's helpful or sometimes it's useful. He says it's everything. I actually believe that. The times where I was at the right place at the right time, that's how I was able to get to building over $100 million in results, was because I was there and I was building a business when the internet was born. I was there when Google launched their Google AdSense and their AdWords programs. I was there when pay-per-click marketing, where you could buy ads in the search engine. I was amongst the first customers to try it. But because I was at the right time, at the right place, I made lots of money. Whether or not you use my tools or you get involved in any of the things that I'm doing, but you need to seriously look at this opportunity of using artificial intelligence to build your businesses. How many of you have looked back and thought, man, I wish I would have bought Bitcoin back when it was cheap? You know, one time Bitcoin was $1. Or what if you were there when the birth of affiliate marketing happened, like I was? And what if instead of watching on the sidelines, instead you took action? I think things would have been radically different, right? My question for you is, are you prepared to take advantage of this once in a generation opportunity? You're probably not going to expect what I'm going to teach you. So let's get into it. Now, most people, when they think about affiliate marketing, they think about this, right? The spiral of affiliate marketing. Most people think when you're going to make money with affiliate marketing or you're going to build a business with this model, you join some affiliate program. So whether it's Amazon or a place like ClickBank, you join the affiliate program, you sign up, they give you a link, you go out and you promote it, you track your sales, and then you get commissions, right? And you know, commissions mean you're just getting a little bit of the money, right? You're not getting all of the money, so you're getting a little piece of the action. And I'll tell you what, if you really want to build a life-changing business, if you really want to have a lifestyle business that lets you have the time that you want and helps to make the money that you want, this is not the path to that. Now, I'm curious, I actually want to know your answer to this. So I'm going to ask you this question here. So in this scenario, you have the offer owner, the person who is selling the product in the middle, right? And then you got all the affiliates. You see all the little people on the outside there are promoting this guy's product, right? All of them get commissions, but look, they're all promoting this guy's product. Who makes more money? Tell me your answer. Who makes more money in that situation? I'll tell you because I know firsthand. I've been the affiliate promoting other people's stuff, and I've been the offer owner cashing all the money. It is the offer owner. Always. I don't know anyone who is an offer owner who didn't make more money than their affiliates. And the reason for that is they're building their brand. They're building their business. They're building a list of customers that they can keep selling things to over the long term, where the affiliate gets a quick hit, right? They send a click to somebody, it makes them a commission, they take their little commission and they go off their own way, where the offer owner keeps the customer. And that offer owner can keep selling that customer more and more and more things. Now, I have affiliates all over the world. I've paid millions of dollars in affiliate commissions to my affiliates. I love my affiliates, they're awesome. But I'm sorry, the offer owner will always make more money. Now, why is that? It's because it's hard. It's hard to be an offer owner. That's the reason they make more money. It's challenging. It has barriers, and there have things you have to overcome. And first of all, maybe the biggest one is they have to create a product, because you got to sell something, right? And I know, like on places like ClickBank, one of the most popular things to sell are what are called information products, ebooks and trainings and videos and things like that. But even creating one of those, I know firsthand you're going to spend $10,000 or more, because I've done it. That's what it costs to build a quality product if you're going to hire experts to build it for you. So if you want to go into a market you don't know a lot about, you got to go hire an expert, you got to hire an editor, you got to hire all the talent to write your sales pages and do all of that. You're going to spend way over 10 grand just to get started. And that's before you've got your first click even coming to your website. And then you got to get traffic. Then you got to process and fulfill your sales. And you got to track them, because you got to pay your affiliates, right? Because if you got an affiliate who's sending you traffic, you have to track that traffic and pay them commissions. But I'm curious, what if I just removed all those obstacles for you? I just took them away. You don't have to make a product. You don't have to worry about traffic. You don't have to process the sales and deal with shopping carts and all that junk. You don't have to deal with the tech of tracking sales. What if I just took all those obstacles and threw them away and handled them for you? Which would you rather be? Just for a moment, imagine there's a magic wand. It happens to be an AI magic wand. What if I could just wave that magic AI wand and you could become the offer owner without all those headaches? Which would you rather be? You personally. All those headaches, boom, vanished, solved. And you now have a choice. You can be an affiliate or an offer owner. Which would you rather be? Because of a brand new AI tool that I'm going to show you, none of those things are hard anymore. And you know how I said in times of disruption, when things are changing and there's new technology and new ways of doing things, and largely society is very slow to act and take advantage of those things, it's the people that jump on those new opportunities and that new technology that profit. And you have a moment right now where that exists. With the right AI tools, all of those barriers are removed and being an offer owner is no longer hard. All right, and if you would like to learn the fastest way to accomplish this, I'd like to set you up with a free demo of Push Button AI. Right now, Push Button AI is closed to the public, but we do allow private beta access. And if you're interested in finding out how you can have our AI technology create an entire business for you, where it could create a 12-module training course that you can sell to users, a free report, a squeeze page, a sales page, a 30-day email sequence, videos, audios, a logo, and a whole lot more. It's everything to build a complete business. If you'd like to get a live demo of that, then you're going to want to text the number that you see. It's down, it should be down here somewhere on the screen. Text us with the word demo. Text us DEMO for the free demo to be able to see this technology in action. Because what we'll do, one of our marketing experts will get on a one-on-one Zoom call with you and they will demo the technology. And while you're on there, they'll help you with picking niche markets, selecting what kind of a course you might want to build, and they'll show in front of your eyes how it works. And if you'd like to, they can deploy and launch your brand new business in a matter of moments. But to do that, you need to text us, text demo to the link you see down below, and you get a chance to see how the technology can make all of that stuff for you, and it's push button simple. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to get a free niche consultation. You're going to see how the Push Button AI software can dramatically speed up your time to market so that you can build an entire business. It literally registers your domain name for you. It picks your domain name for you, and it comes up with awesome domain names. It deploys your business, sets up your hosting, launches your entire business, all while you watch. Now, I do want to say, even though it's push button simple and it really speeds up the time to profit, you really need to be aware that any business that you create, that you try to profit from, takes effort, energy, money, time, and commitment. And only if you're willing to put those into your new business should you set up a demo. Okay. So it's really important that you be prepared to, again, invest money, time, energy, effort to making your business a success. And if you're willing to do that, then please text the number that you see on the screen and set up your free demo. And again, during the demo, you'll get a niche consultation if you're not sure which niche market to be in, what kind of a course to create, what kind of business to create. Then they will help you with that. And they're going to do it using the power of AI. We have special niche coaching that is powered by AI that will help you select your niche market, help you figure out what kind of a course to create the entire 12-lesson training course. It's ready to deploy. And they'll do that for you live on Zoom one-on-one. So text the number you see on your screen. And by the way, make sure you like, subscribe, and engage with us on this video. Do all that stuff. I have lots more great content coming. So we'll see you next time. Bye for now.